Panel memory is another new feature that's unique to Grass Valley and recently introduced. Show us how this makes the operator's job easier, John.
The important thing to say is that the Karrera control panel itself is so flexible that each stripe can have any mix effects bank assigned to it to be used, and within each mix effects bank, each of the rows can have a function delegated to it. So earlier on we looked at the half ME. I made that ME3. I might get to show you that by going to Menu, Stripe Delegation, and putting ME3 on stripe 1. While I'm there, I might feel it was useful to replace the top line, instead of being keys, but be macros the whole time. Only 2 button presses, not too difficult. But at the same time, it would be far easier if I could get to this situation very quickly. One way to do that is to use panel memory, so let me show you how that works. Inside panel memory, you'll notice that there are 2 stripes available. Well, it's a 2-stripe switcher, that makes sense. And when I start learning a panel memory, it makes sure that I understand I'm going to record as much or as little of the control panel setup as I'd like to. I'm quite happy that I want both stripes to be remembered. And having done that, I'll learn panel memory 7. I've got 99 of them, so it's not a big deal. I can use lots and lots of these during a show if necessary. Now let me show you how quick it is to recall one. As I recall panel memory 1, ME1 is reassigned to that top line. Naturally, I recorded that earlier, and I know I might often want to get to ME2, and then of course my panel memory 7 gets me straight back where I was just now. All so quick and absolutely useful because I can trigger the recall of a panel memory using a macro, and if necessary I can call that macro from an emem, so I can genuinely set up the switcher exactly as I want it for every segment's operation.